Hi, I'm Christy Williams, Youth Engagement Officer at Hawthorn High School. I'm here today at Hawthorn Swimming Pool where the after-school swimming club is held. And I've nominated a group of young people from the Nigerian community that attend our swimming club. When they first started engaging with us, it was clearly evident that a lot of them were unable to swim. So we worked together with RCT Leisure and the Black Swimming Association, and we secured extra funding through Newydd Housing to put in a swimming coach in the water with these swimmers after school. I'm pleased to say that over 20 of the young people attend from the Nigerian community and are working towards gaining their swimming certificates. Lots of them have already achieved their 25-metre badges, and a lot of them are working towards. But I'm super, super proud of them. They're so enthusiastic and so keen to learn, and they're learning life skills that they'll take through with them for life. I just want to say good luck for this evening. You're amazing. Thank you to all the partners that have worked with us to put this project on. And yeah, you're amazing. Good luck.